I have seen people labor to gain visibility in business and in life. I've seen people try to manipulate their way. It doesn't work that way. By the mercies of God, the things we have seen, the things we have heard, the things our hands have handled, even of the word of life, this is what we bring. Ladies and gentlemen, there are dynamics, but there is a grace. Truly, there is. It's called the Hear Ye Him anointing. It's the grace for visibility. It can pick any man from anywhere. I'm telling you, anywhere can pick a man from the village and cause that person to be a sign and a wonder. It can pick a young lady from her family. It doesn't matter whether you are in a house with no roof. It can pick a man. I'm telling you this because this is what is about to fall on you now. That grace will pick you from where you are and cause you to be a sign and a wonder. Oh, 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 I see them resting. Oh, 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 I see them resting.